Welcome to my channel. In the world of luxury performance cars, few names carry the same level of heritage as Cadillac. For decades, the brand has been famous for building large, comfortable, and powerful American luxury sedans. But in 2026, Cadillac decides to shock the entire automotive world with something completely unexpected, a futuristic hypercar that blends luxury, performance, technology, and modern electric power into one breathtaking package. This new model is unofficially known as the Cadillac Hyperlux 2026, and it represents a new chapter for American automotive engineering. From the first glance, it is clear that this car is not just a vehicle, it is a design statement. The Hyperlux looks like something straight out of a high-budget sci-fi movie. Its sharp LED lighting, ultra-aerodynamic curves, and bold futuristic proportions show Cadillac's vision of the future. And with its butterfly doors rising dramatically into the air, the Hyperlux carries the presence and charisma of a true next-generation supercar. A bold new era for Cadillac. For many years, Cadillac was known primarily for its luxury sedans like the Escalade, CT6, and the iconic DeVille. However, the auto industry has entered a new age dominated by electric technology, automation, and modern design. Cadillac wants to lead this new era for American luxury, and the Hyperlux 2026 is their most daring move yet. The idea behind the Hyperlux was simple. Create a car that combines the luxury of Cadillac with the performance of a hypercar and the innovation of the future. This philosophy is clear from every angle of the vehicle. Cadillac didn't try to copy European supercars, instead, they created something uniquely American, modern, and full of confidence. Exterior design. A glimpse into the future. The design of the 2026 Cadillac Hyperlux is absolutely breathtaking. The car features a long, low, and wide body that sits close to the ground, giving it a powerful and aggressive stance. The rear design, as seen in the image, showcases ultra-sleek LED taillights that stretch vertically and blend seamlessly into the body. These lights create a signature look that can be recognized instantly from a distance. The rear diffuser is massive and aerodynamically functional, channeling airflow smoothly at high speeds. It doesn't just look aggressive, it enhances performance on real roads and tracks. The wheels are another highlight. Cadillac designed turbine-style performance wheels that improve airflow while giving the car a sharp, futuristic look. Paired with low-profile performance tires, the Hyperlux looks as ready for a racetrack as it does for a showroom. The butterfly doors are perhaps the most dramatic element of the exterior. When they open, the car transforms from a sleek, sporty machine into a bold futuristic sculpture. These doors are not just for style, they also allow easier access to the low cabin. Overall, the 2026 Hyperlux design shows Cadillac's shift from traditional luxury to bold modern experimentation. It is a supercar that looks unlike anything Cadillac has built before. Interior. Luxury meets technology. Step inside the Hyperlux, and you enter a digital world filled with high-tech displays, soft leather materials, and mood lighting. Cadillac takes its luxury DNA seriously, and the Hyperlux interior reflects this perfectly. The cabin is finished with premium materials like suede, carbon fiber, brushed aluminum, and hand-stitched leather. One of the most striking features inside is the purple ambient lighting running through the doors, dashboard, and center console. This glow gives the interior a premium futuristic effect, especially when viewed at night. The dashboard is dominated by a full-width digital display that combines the gauge cluster, navigation system, performance data, and infotainment into one seamless panoramic screen. Every element is customizable, from the driving mode visuals to the color theme. The steering wheel is a flat-bottom, race-inspired design with touch-sensitive controls. The seats are sporty yet comfortable, designed to hold the driver firmly during fast cornering while still offering Cadillac-level comfort on long drives. Cadillac also includes advanced voice control, AI-supported driving features, and a next-generation HUD head-up display that projects 3D navigation arrows directly onto the windshield. In short, the interior of the Hyperlux is a perfect balance of luxury and high-tech performance. Performance, electric power, extreme speed. Although Cadillac has not officially announced performance numbers for the Hyperlux 2026, automotive experts estimate that the car will use a quad-motor all-electric powertrain. This means 4 independent electric motors, one for each wheel, creating an advanced AWD all-wheel drive system. Early predictions suggest 0 to 100 km/h in under 2.3 seconds. Top speed around 380 km/h. Over 1,200 horsepower combined output. Instant electric torque for extreme acceleration. These numbers place the Hyperlux on the same level as world-class hypercars like the Tesla Roadster 2.0, Rimac Navara, Pininfarina Battista, and even some limited edition Bugatti models. Cadillac wants to show the world that an American luxury brand can also build a world-class electric hypercar. The car is expected to use a high-density battery pack capable of delivering excellent range despite the massive power output. With fast charging support, owners can recharge the battery up to 80% in under 20 minutes. Driving experience and handling. The Hyperlux is built on a lightweight performance chassis using carbon fiber, aluminum, and advanced composites. This ensures the car remains light while still being incredibly strong. Thanks to the quad-motor system, the car offers precise torque vectoring, instant response during cornering, unmatched grip on the road, smooth control at high speeds. In sport mode, the car becomes sharp, aggressive, and extremely responsive. In comfort mode, the suspension softens, noise insulation increases, and the Hyperlux transforms into a smooth luxury cruiser. This dual personality makes the Hyperlux more versatile than most hypercars on the market. Technology, smarter than ever. As a 2026 model, the Hyperlux includes Cadillac's latest suite of intelligent technologies. Ultra Cruise AI, a semi-autonomous driving system that can handle motorways, city streets, and complex traffic situations with minimal driver input. Smart Suspension, active suspension sensors analyze the road 1,000 times per second, adjusting damping instantly for maximum comfort and control. 3. 360 degrees vision. Cameras, sensors, and lidar create a 3D environment map around the car for safety and precision. 4. Over-the-air updates. Cadillac can upgrade performance, safety, and software features remotely. Price and release expectations. Cadillac has not released an official price, but predictions place the Hyperlux 2026 anywhere between $350,000 to $500,000, depending on customization. This would make it Cadillac's most expensive and exclusive car ever. The car is expected to be produced in limited numbers to maintain exclusivity and premium value. A new future for Cadillac. The 2026 Cadillac Hyperlux is more than just a car, it is Cadillac's declaration that the future belongs to bold innovation. From its breathtaking futuristic design to its ultra-luxurious interior, from its electric hypercar performance to its advanced technology, the Hyperlux stands as a new symbol of American excellence. Cadillac has successfully taken the luxury experience it is famous for and combined it with modern supercar performance. If this is the direction Cadillac is heading in, the future of American automotive engineering looks brighter and more exciting than ever.